Hi, I'm Ryan, a member of the customer service team here at Ceilume, and today I will be showing you how to install drop ceiling tiles. Before I break out my ceiling tiles, I'm going to take some time to clean my room and wipe down my drop ceiling grid. Vinyl ceiling tiles come out of the box with a bit of static electricity charge, and cleaning up before installation prevents dust and debris from sticking to the tiles. Now that my room and grid is clean, I'm going to begin my installation with the full-size grid squares in the center of my ceiling. To install my new tiles, I simply pop them into place in my grid. Now it's time to tackle the less than full-size grid squares along the perimeter of my ceiling. To install, I measure the partial grid squares, cut my tiles to size, and place the trim pieces into the grid. That's it. I'm finished, and now it's time to bask in the glory that is my new ceiling installation. If you have any questions or would like to see free samples, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Ceilume.